Skagasi FM, the number one regional commercial station in South Africa. And this is the best of morning radio, The Uprising with Felix and Mini, Monday to Friday between 6 and 9. And your time right now is exactly 20 after 8. Good morning to you. Namhlanje ngomhla ka3 June asiqedeli indlela ukuthi 6 to 9 past 20 past manje kala amaphepha siyekhaya. Namhlanje is 3 June and as u3 June sazi ukuthi is Leave International Leave the Office Early Day. Umlungu oyibona yena mina sengikhala amaphepha manje. So ngalo ndlela enganza kwethu qoqa into zakho lamasakane lapha. Thatha umkhaba lo ushuthe ke phentini. Uphethe ezelweni ngakhona ulungisa uhlobo. Buka nje mnunana akashaya. Uthole iphakethe njengamanje. Uzonibona hlalani kahle. Enjoy International Leave the Office Early Day. Felix. Kohlala namhlanje 3 June Leave the Office Early Day. Kulungile ngabanye emakhaya wale laptop le kanti ithuluzi lomlungu lelo libuyisele emuva. Nawuthi iloli lishayela ubeke office. Qalani nganza kwethu.